What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. Today, guys, I want to talk about an opportunity in which you can get paid instantly. Okay, I'm going to be looking at my notes here so I don't miss anything. How to make $741 a day. Instant pay any way you want. Okay, you get a complete sales funnel. An autoresponder is included so that the emails can follow up with your prospects on your behalf. Okay, this is already included. A lot of times the marketing system is not included with some of these affiliate marketing programs, and then you have to go and get a third-party system, okay, to do what this system is going to do all in one. This is very affordable for the masses. It's under $300 to get started, guys. Okay, so this is perfect, a perfect newbie-friendly online business with digital products. Okay, the digital products are going to help you and show you how to make money online. Okay, so that's included as well. There is no monthly fees with this. Okay, so that's a relief, right? No monthly fees. And then also they're going to include in your system done for you traffic packages. Okay, you may say, well, what is that all about? Traffic packages. This is where you can actually go and pay for paid advertising. Just give the vendor your link, your affiliate link with your capture page, make your payment, and they will send targeted people that's interested in making money from home to your website. Okay, this is not a guarantee of sales. However, it's a guarantee of traffic, okay, which is targeted people that's interested in what you have to offer. Okay, this is a great way to get traction to your system because most people don't know how to market online. They don't want to ask friends and family. They don't want to bug people, which I highly recommend not to do that. You want to offer people that's interested in what you have. Okay, so these will be targeted people that will be interested, so you can get traffic packages. Okay, that's included in the back office. You just go there, make a purchase with a debit card, and boom, within 24 to 48 hours, you've got people looking at your website. You're going to get an email notification when they do that, so you'll know that the system is working. So how does that sound, guys? If that sounds great to you, what I've done is I put a link in the description specifically for this project, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Go check this out if you're interested and you want to find out how to make $741 in a day with a simple step-by-step system. Okay, go to the link. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. By the way, did I mention I'm going to pay for your first paid advertising? Okay, I'm going to pay for that first traffic package to get visitors to your website. All right, guys, so go check it out. The link is in the description, www.besteasyworkincome.com. I'll see you on the inside. Have a blessed day. Be safe out there.
The economy is a mess. Gas prices have never been higher. Inflation is affecting everyone except us because we have a recession-proof business. That's right. We are just releasing a way for you to create unlimited payments throughout the day and even while you sleep. This new system actually generates multiple payments with its mass marketing built-in software. Our members are averaging $741 per day, and they are not negatively affected by what's going on in this economy. So don't wait. Grab your piece of this recession-proof system by simply filling out the form below.